Hey guys, so on this episode of the Ferrari Files, we're gonna take a look at how we put some of our mall kiosks together, and one car in particular that didn't have an engine in it that we put on display.
So the engine won't be in it. I just sold the engine for like 30 grand. So it'll just be a car with no engine in it sitting on display.
So over the holidays for our Autocross, we booked 15 malls and we wanted to put a car in each mall as part of our kiosk display, but we only had 12 fleet cars. So instead of trying to buy 3 more cars right away, we had this idea to use some of our salvage cars that we were parting out and put them back together and kind of make them look cool for the mall displays.
Here's why. So this car, we're gonna wrap it and then we'll put the car in the mall so it'll just look like a car. It's like a car-osque. So it'll just be like display, you know, just an inexpensive display. So there you go. Yes. So we have a Lamborghini engine out of a Superleggera that it runs and it's complete, but you can tell from the exhaust ports where the manifolds bolt up, it's been just chewing away at it in 8 holes underneath. Those are normal holes there, normal hole, and that's not so normal, it's all chewed up. And this one back here is really not normal, it's missing almost. Not good. But that's what makes it that much better to part it out. It needs just a little bit of fiberglass that's put in it and sanded so that it looks proper for just a display. Perfect. Used as a kiosk, as a car-osque. I thought of that.
So now the car is back and it's changed color from yellow to lime green. Lamborghini, I love it. It's one of my favorite. This is the reason why I fell in love with the Lamborghini.
The seats are super cool though. It still has the Alcantara suede seats that are black with the yellow stitching, but it does look a little funny if you open the doors.
Yeah, no engine, no shocks, no seats. Drove real nice.
They were zip tying and strapping things together just to make it look like a perfectly running car, but it's actually just a shell.
Yeah, actually part of the dash right here was all missing, so we had to put a wreath over it in the mall kiosk.
So guys, if you like this type of content, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification button.
And be sure to leave a comment below and tell us what you want to see next. Thank you for watching, and this is the Ferrari Files.